NASA is once again looking into the possibility of another test flight for Boeing's Starliner spacecraft, but this time it may or may not have astronauts on board. Following technical issues in its last mission, NASA wants to test all the updates and fixes, especially in the propulsion system, before Starliner begins regular crew rotation missions to the International Space Station. Steve Stich, NASA's Commercial Crew Program Manager, says the focus now is on resolving helium leaks and thruster failures that occurred during the crew flight test last year. Those issues were serious enough that the Starliner had to return to Earth uncrewed, leaving the astronauts who arrived on it to come back later aboard a SpaceX Dragon capsule. NASA's goal is clear. Even if the next flight doesn't carry a crew, the spacecraft should be fully capable of doing so. Every system needs to be in place and ready for human spaceflight. So far, about 70% of the flight anomalies from the last mission have been resolved. However, more testing is needed to make sure the propulsion system is safe and reliable. Despite facing over $2 billion in total losses on the program, Boeing is staying committed. Their new CEO, Kelly Ortberg, is backing the project, and the company is working hard to fix the issues from testing new seals to running multiple thruster simulations. Outside of the propulsion challenges, Starliner has already provided NASA with most of the data needed to certify the spacecraft for human missions. As for what's next, SpaceX's Crew -11 is expected to launch as early as late July. After that, NASA will decide whether Crew -12 will also be a SpaceX mission, or if Starliner will finally fly its first full crew rotation mission. There's no rush, but one thing is certain. NASA is determined to make sure Starliner is ready before it takes the next big leap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Focus Frame for more content like this.